That is, if you open the terminal, the package manager which is used in Fedora is called DNF. So let me increase my font by a little bit so that you can see which better. So in order to use the package manager, you need to have super user privileges, or you need to be a root user. So if you want to search for a package name, if you want to search whether the package is available in your repositories, you can use sudo DNF search. For example, we will use packagename. It's a file manager. Then we need to enter our super user password. So when we do that, it will check and it will tell us whether it's available. So this is a 64-bit machine, so I need this package. So if I want to install that package, I can just do sudo DNF install packagename. I'm sorry, I'm not connected to internet right now. Sudo DNF install packagename. It will run through the repositories and it will find the package, and it will ask you whether you want to install the package with its dependencies. So in a moment you can see. This process is like getting details from the repos. So now it's asking whether we want to install the application packagename. So it's having these three dependencies, no, these four dependencies. So if we type Y and enter, it will install the application. If we press N, it will cancel, it will not install anything. So now if we go to our applications, we will see file manager packagename. So if you want to remove this application, you can do sudo DNF remove packagename. packagename. It will ask you whether you want to remove it. Just press Y and hit enter if you want to remove the package with its dependencies. If you don't want to remove, just type N and hit enter. It will exit. So DNF is having more commands which you can use apart from install and remove. There are things like autoremove, check update. So if you want to check for like updates for some particular application, you can use sudo DNF check -update Firefox. If you do that, it will just run through the repos and it will tell you if you have an update or not. So since I'm not having any updates, it just didn't do anything. Similarly, you can do sudo DNF autoremove. So if you do sudo DNF autoremove, it will remove everything, like all the unwanted dependencies. So if you have like, if you install some package, you removed it, and if the dependencies were not removed, like something like leftover packages, if you do sudo DNF autoremove, it will show you whether you have some orphaned packages. So if you do this, it will help you to remove all those packages. So the other thing is, if you want to do like downgrade, if you have installed an update of some application and you are experiencing some issues with it, or if you want to change back to older version for whatever the reason, you can use sudo DNF downgrade, and the name of the application. So like if I use pacman.fm, it will downgrade pacman.fm, and just hit enter. If you wanna, like if you are on an older distribution, like for example the current release of Fedora on the time of recording this video is Fedora version 33. So if you are on any older version and you're planning to do like a system upgrade, you can use Fedora is having system upgrade plugin. Like Fedora is having multiple plugins with DNF. So for example, if you want to install a plugin, you can use sudo DNF install DNF dash plugin dash o, for example, slash dash the name of the plugin. So I don't recall any plugins right now, so if you want you can do that. So if you want to do system upgrades, like if you're running an older version, you can use the system upgrade plugin. So you can use the same command, sudo DNF install DNF dash plugin dash system dash upgrade. If you do that, it will install the DNF system upgrade plugin. So it's asking me whether I want to install this, so I'm going to press Y, hit yes. Then it's very easy. Sudo, if you want to do a system upgrade, all you have to do after that is sudo DNF system upgrade download dash dash refresh dash dash release version equals 33. So that's the current version of Fedora. So if you hit enter, it will ask you whether you want to do a DNF refresh upgrade. So you should hit Y, because it will make sure everything is up to date before you do anything. So you hit Y. So now this install is Fedora version 33, so it gave me an error. So my current version is not greater than version 33. So if you're running an older version, it will tell you need to update. Next thing is, if you want to remove, like you're having some package that which is like the current version you don't like, and you don't like the next version or the like available version in the repo. So if you don't want to upgrade that, you can exclude the package. So for that you can use sudo DNF upgrade dash dash exclude equals and the name of the package. For example, if you want to do VLC, you can use that and hit enter. or if you want to lock an application with a specific version, you can do sudo DNF install DNF So if you do this, it will lock to the particular version. So if you wanna like just put a specific package, you can use DNF version lock add and the name of the package. You can use VLC or something, it's up to you. If you want to remove it from the version lock, you can do sudo DNF version lock delete, then name of the package, for example VLC. If you want to update your system, you can do sudo DNF upgrade, or so if you do this, it will check whether you have any updates available for your system. Here you go, 5 plus 5 will update my system. So we are running everything new. If you want to perform a reinstall of a particular package, you can perform sudo DNF reinstall and the package name. If you want to use packagename, you can do that. Just specify the package name. So if you want to know information about something, you can use info, like VLC will give you information about the package, will give you the name of the package, release type, version, and all the other details if you're interested, and what's like, it will give you the license type, description. Sometimes like when people come to Fedora, they're having issues finding some particular packages. So by default, the RPM Fusion repositories are not enabled in Fedora. So if you enable RPM Fusion repo, like if you enable that repository, you will have like more list of packages available which you can use. So if you want to do that, you can either do the command line install. For that, for Fedora 33, you can use sudo DNF install https://fedoras.rpm fusion.org/free/fedora/rpm fusion free release. I'm sorry, I forgot the entire link. So if you want to get that, just go to RPM Fusion website. We are going to search RPM Fusion for Fedora 33. So you will see this link, rpmfusion.org. If you click that, you can do two different ways of install. You can set up via your browser. If you click this, it will help you enable RPM Fusion repos, or if you want to do it in the command line, you just need to use this command. So if you open this, it will install RPM Fusion directly, or else if you want, you can do with command line. You just need to copy this and paste it to your terminal. Can do Control Shift and V command to copy, no, paste. If you press enter, it will download and install RPM Fusion repository. So I already have it enabled, but it will do a sync with the repo again. So alternative to DNF, you can use, I'm going to press now. So alternative to DNF, you can use Fedora is having yum, so you can use sudo yum update. Yum is a package manager, so if you want, you can do that. Yum, you just need to replace this portion with the same commands which you can use in DNF. So that's it. I hope you all have a wonderful day.